Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Ivan Almaraz, aka Bashi, and today I'm showcasing my project called Raiden, which is a homage to the 1990 iconic game Raiden. So I'm going to go ahead and press start to get started here. Alright, this was created with C# using Unity. As you can see, you can move left, right, up, down, and you can combine any of those directions. I'm using a wired Xbox 360 controller to control this spaceship here. By pressing A, you do shoot bullets. So we're going to see if we can go ahead and defeat this boss. You can see he's got a shield. You can see the health bars up at the top. The lower health bar is the shield, and the top bar is the health for the spaceship. So we're going to go ahead and destroy this shield here. There we go. So you can see the bullets that are coming off the spaceship here. So as you lower its health, it will start shooting more and more projectiles. So there we go, we lowered it enough, so now it's shooting 3 bullets at a time. And you can see that every time we hit it with the bullet, it flashes white for a split second. That indicates that it is being hurt. Okay, so now we have 5 bullets shooting at us at a time here. And we have 2 rockets coming at us now. We also have homing missiles, and these follow you around. So I'm going to try my best to dodge here and not get hit. And we do have 4 chances of getting hit before we get a game over, and that's indicated on the bottom left there. That's the spaceship's health. So I'm going to keep shooting this guy and see if I can chip away at his health. You can see that 3 rockets are now coming down from the enemy ship, and that's from each side of that ship there. Oh, I just got hit, so you can see on the bottom left, now I have 3 chances left to get hit. Whoa, I don't know how I just avoided that. That was a very tight squeeze here. Let's chip away here more at his health. He's got 25 health left. See if we can defeat it. And I made this game hard on purpose because Raiden is not an easy game to beat if you've ever played it before. There we go, we've defeated the boss. And I'm showcasing the boss because it's a good demonstration on how hard Raiden actually is. I do have other enemies, as you'll see here in a little bit. They'll appear on screen. Along with enemies, there is some power-ups. So defeating these enemies right here, there is a chance that they might drop a power-up. So let's see if we are lucky and see if we can get a power-up. So these type of enemies move side to side, and they're programmed to look into your direction and shoot a bullet every once in a while. That bullet does fly straight, it does not like follow you. Here we have a different type of enemy. These do follow you like those homing missiles we saw earlier, but instead they are spaceships. They do take a little bit more to kill than the ships that move side to side. So let's see if we can find a power up here to help us defeat it. No, hopefully we can get one out of here. And it looks like we did. We'll go ahead and use this bomb now. And you can see that the bomb does more damage, so it only took 1 shot to destroy those enemies that were following you. Up ahead, I do have some other power-ups that I put up here just to showcase what kind of power-ups I have. We'll go ahead and pick those up now. That's double bullets, rockets, homing missiles, speed boost, the bomb that we picked up earlier, shield, and laser. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate. These are the rockets. This is the laser. This is the homing missiles. Depending on what's closer when you start shooting them, they'll fire off into that direction. This is the bomb that we picked up earlier here. And we also do have a shield there, so if we do get hit, the shield will take the damage and a player won't lose a heart. As you saw, with a bunch of power-ups, it is much easier to defeat enemies. And that pretty much sums up my project for Raiden. If you enjoyed what you saw today, go ahead and hit that like button. Consider subscribing for more content. And if you want, go ahead and leave a comment about what you liked, what you didn't like, what could be added, what could be improved. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time.